are clear. Alrighty, so the most popular question today. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So a lot of friends have been asking, what's that over there?
It's a
You haven't seen it? It's a tripod, yes. Okay. So remember last week or a few weeks ago when there was a teacher sitting at Mrs. Schott's desk and she was kind of watching me teach? Yeah. Well, that teacher cannot come in today. So I will be recording myself teach. Okay. So it's just going to hang over there. If your science station is by the tripod, just be very careful. Okay. Try to stay away from it. Got it? Yes? Alrighty, now that that's out of the way, let's get started on science. So, yes. No, just for my teacher to see. Yeah.
We skipped morning meeting.
Yes, that's right, because we had to get right into science. We have some really cool things to experiment today. That's why. We'll come back to that tomorrow, okay? Yes? Okay. So let's get started. Do we remember? So I have a question up on the board. And I want you to think about it. What are some observations that we've seen through Earth experiments? So thinking about those same ideas, I want you to keep thinking about them. And if you're stuck, think about the cups, the ramps, and the motion that we've seen, especially with our challenge that we completed a few days ago. Okay, now that you've had time to think, talk with your table groups. Go ahead. Share what you've observed.
Okay, so
Alrighty, I heard some really interesting ideas. Would anybody like to share what they talked about? Bill, go ahead.
Whenever you would put it down, it would just turn when you drink out of it is.
When you would put it down the ramp, is that what you're saying? Yeah. Down the ramp, okay. Evan?
So yesterday, not yesterday, right?
2 days ago.
Yeah, 2 days ago. So I found out a way how to fix the motion. So if you put the ramp higher and you put the cup down, it wouldn't circle around. It would just go straight down.
So you're saying when you fixed the ramp, you would change the position of it. So would you make it go higher, so deeper? And when you would roll it down, you said it would go straight?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other ideas, Sakari?
when you combine both cups by using the part where you drink out of it, and you just put them into each other, when they would go down, they would go a different way.
Oh, so using both cups going down at the same time. Is that what you're saying? Ooh. Alrighty, really good ideas, friends. So, keep those ideas in mind because we're going to keep investigating those ideas. Could I have a friend reader essential question? Carter, go ahead.
What rules help predict where a roller coaster will end up?
So we're going to keep thinking about that. What rules help predict where a rolling cups will end up? Alrighty, so what I need you friends to do is, do you remember those KWL charts we worked on 2 days ago? Let's pull them out really quickly. drawings. I know some of you got creative and drew some pictures of your observations. And just take a minute. Is there anything you want to add after our challenge a few days ago? New ideas you may be having? So remember, we filled out the what I know and the what I want to know. That's okay. All right, top of your table groups. Maybe see if other friends have new ideas that they're writing down. Or maybe you have similar ideas that you wrote down 2 days ago. Go ahead. Are there any new ideas that we're
Maybe with the cups.
So without changing the way the ramp is, you're wondering to see if you can Do you need a new one? Give you a new one. It's okay. Here, I'll give you a new one. Here you go. Look, there's a new one. Just write your name on it. You're thinking back to like the actions when Alrighty, my friends. Now that you've had time to think to yourself and brainstorm with your friends, would anybody like to share? Gil, go ahead.
So I want to know if like can it go like straight down? Like if we really think if we try to do it, will it?
So you're saying the cups, you're just wondering if they will ever go down straight, right? When they go down the ramp? Okay. Anyone else have similar ideas? Tadeo?
Tape the bottom of 2 cups together.
Did you say tape? Okay. Addie?
I want to know if it'll ever just go down without moving the ramp.
Can you repeat that to some friends? Listen, when other friends are speaking, put that away, please. You need to be respectful. Go ahead, Addie. Try that again.
I want to know if the cups will ever go down without moving the ramp.
So without moving the ramp, you're wondering if the cups will go down. Good ideas. Jason, last one.
I want to know if there are other objects we can use to turn our way.
Ooh, so maybe using other objects to help us out. Good idea. Alrighty, so this is what we're going to do. Before we get started, this is a quick little friendly reminder. Let's make sure we're treating our friends and materials with respect, okay? Because we want to make sure we're able to use them all the time, okay? Be gentle when using the materials, okay? So just try your best. I know it can get a little hard, but just try your best to be gentle. Take turns building your ramp. So since we're working with partners, let's take turns, okay? Maybe one friend will go first, and then once that friend is done, the other friend can go, okay? And then with sharing ideas, take turns sharing what you're experiencing and what you're investigating, okay? Your task. So this is what I need you friends to do. As always, when I call your table star, those friends are going to grab cardboard and 4 clothespins, okay? I will pass out the other materials that we'll be using, okay? if your partner is at that table star, the other partner is going to head to your science station. Okay? Wait patiently. You're going to build your ramp, and as always, put your hands on your head when you're ready. Capiche? All right, we'll start with Superstar friends. If your partner is at Superstar, head to your station. Green Star. If your partner is not here, stay at your desk. All right, Gold Star and Red Star. All right, go get it. Okay, Cyrus, where's your partner from? Oh, that's right, you moved. Mark, you're working with Penny, and actually, today, since Kate's partner is not here, how about you work with Cadence? Okay, so how about one of you grab the cardboard, and well, remember, Cadence is still not your partner, so you can work with her today, okay? Let's see. What was that, sweetie? Cyrus and Cadence, you bring some marks over here. Right about here, is that okay? I'll get you a, you need one more, right? One more poster. Here you go, go ahead. Alrighty, I'm looking for friends that are almost done. Put your hands on your head. Emmy looks ready. Who else is ready? Dea's group looks ready. Alrighty, my friends. It looks like most of us are done setting up our ramp. Awesome job. Alrighty, before we get started with our investigation, right? Let's think. What can be done to get the cups to roll straight? So just take a minute, think to yourself, what can we do to get the cups to roll straight? There's no right or wrong answer. We're just thinking. Talk with your table or your partners. Come up with an idea. Alrighty, my friends. Would anybody like to share what they came up with or what their partner came up with? Tadeo.
We can probably take the bottom of the cups and that's a little bit.
Okay, so the idea of using tape. Okay, good idea. Addie?
Make holes at the bottom of the cup and then put an axle inside them.
Oh, so you said make holes on the cup and maybe use an axle kind of with our wheel?
We're going to use tape.
Maybe. Any other ideas, Jason?
Destroy them and then like a trash compactor and then push them together into a wheel and then roll them down the ramp.
Oh my goodness, remember we have to be gentle with our materials. Awesome ideas. Okay, so listen, this is what we're going to do. Are we ready? I need all eyes and ears. Okay, so every group is going to receive a cup, so each partner is going to receive a cup, and each group will receive a roll of tape. Okay? So thinking about our ideas that we just talked about, you're going to begin to explore your ideas and put them into action, okay? So try some things out, okay? Work with your partner, come up with something a cup system that hopefully will go straight down when we put it on the ramp, okay? And remember, we want to try to get our system to roll straight. Give me a thumbs up if you understand what you're supposed to be doing. Thumbs up. Alrighty. When I give you your supplies, you may get started. Alright. Well, let's start with your cups.
Do we all get two cups? I think we should tape it around
Friends, you can sit down, Prudence and Cyrus.
No, they're red. It's fresh.
There you go. You might have to move that piece. That little piece. Back up. Start using your teeth and your cup. Alright, do you bring your teeth? Alright, start working. This way, so that your cup can roll down that way and the steps turn on the way, okay? And then Cyrus can get on this side, so you can start experimenting, okay? Work together. Do you want to come over here, so that when you roll the cup, your feet are on the way? How's it going, friends? Ooh, I see you're starting to build your system. Very nice. You're working together. You got it. You new one? Oh, okay. Alrighty. Why is it breaking? Carter. Where's your roll of tape? That one might get a little stuck. Here, you want to take this? Yeah, this one's a little. So how about we start with a small piece so it doesn't get all thrown? Maybe you can hold it for me. Right, go ahead. You want to try that other side? Yes. I'll be right there, okay? Yes. With three cups? All right.
Miss Lopez, it goes straight
Riley has another one. We found them on the
Right now, science. Right now, we're doing science.
That's okay. There you go. Just one? How's it going? Are you all ready?
That's a waste of
Let's go.
That's a whistle.
Go ahead, try it out. Did you give it a try? Oh, so wobbly. Do you see that, Cyrus? Go ahead. Why don't you try it out? That's okay. Go ahead. What's happening, Cyrus? What's happening? Is it rolling straight? Or wiggly? Alrighty, I need all 5 friends. In 3, 2, 1. So let's put our materials on the floor. Cups, tape.
Is this a tape?
It's okay, I'll give you more time to continue working on your systems, no worries. I saw some really, really good ideas, good discussion. Would anybody like to share what they've made so far and what they've seen? Oh, look at all these hands, I love it. We'll start with Addie, go ahead.
So we keep the bottom of one cup to the bottom of another, like the big part. When you drink out of it, it's on the other side. And then we can roll it down the ramp.
Okay, so everybody look at their system, their little cup system. Did anybody build theirs the same way? Okay, some similar ideas. And what happened when you rolled it down?
It flew right down.
Did it go straight? Awesome. Any other ideas? Whoa, I see a lot of hands over here. Go ahead, Tadeo.
We stacked all 3 cups over here.
Do you want to stand up and show our friends? So listen, they got 3 cups because they're a group of 3. So go ahead. What should you do?
So it rolls like the same, but it just like goes slower a bit.
So you connected 2. Oh, my friends in the back are listening. Okay, so it looks like you connected 2 cups on the bigger end, right? The bigger circles. And then you added this one to the smaller end. And what happens when you roll it down? Can you show us? You want to bring your ramp over here? Here, let's move it this way so that it rolls.
Oh yeah, that's my shoulder.
Oh, well, because of the desks, it might have gone a little that way. But did it go straight?
Yeah.
Very nice. Any other group of 3? I'm so sorry. Here you go. Well, maybe in a little bit you'll get some time to try that out. If your system went straight, what I want you friends to do is challenge yourself. See if you can undo your system and try another way of getting your cup to go straight. Right? All right, go ahead. See if you can. Well, we're going to do it, so let's see.
I found another way.
Do you need another piece? Is that the same system you made earlier or different? That's okay. Give me the okay? So did we try it with 3 cups now that you have 3 cups? I'm so sorry. Very nice. I'd love to see how. Yes. Oh my goodness, look at that. How's it going, friend? Good teamwork, friend. So have we tried it with the 3 cups? Just one? Are you trying a different thing? Yeah. Do you want to help?
Evelyn broke our creation, and that's do it. And it's like I'm trying to close the hole.
the lesson today. Go ahead. Work with that and work with your parents. Let's say those ideas. Stick to your team and your cup. Yeah. Cut it? Yeah. Alrighty, show me what the bell means. Materials should be on the floor. Hands in the air. So I know you're listening. Oh, I love the way Jason's following directions. Thank you, Safari. Materials are on the floor. That means tape, cups, clothespins. Alrighty, so I saw some friends trying out new systems. Let's talk about it. What did we notice? What systems did you create? Gil, go ahead.
So we made this kind of cup,
Okay.
and then we were gonna put tape right here, so then air doesn't go in, and then it would go a little faster.
Ooh, so you were adding tape not just to put the cups together, but also on the where you drink, right? Okay. Any other ideas? Any other systems? Evan?
So, I built what Addie built, but I found out a way how to make it a bit more straight and a bit faster. So you get something like this, and you put it on, and then you just put it on.
Ooh, so again, changing the way our ramp is positioned. Okay. I'll take two more friends. Addie, go ahead.
So we put the cups like we did last time, but we put the middle one here, and then we taped it together, and then when we tried to use the ramp, it didn't work, and it didn't went like that. So if we put it here, it went like this. That's
Ooh, so taping the bigger circles together, right? Is that what you're saying?
But we have to do a different angle to get it out.
Ooh, so you pushed it down in a different angle than going just straight down. Okay. All right, I'll take one more idea. Anybody else? Friends, these are really good ideas. I love all the systems. And by the way, I saw some really good teamwork. So awesome job with that. Friends are helping each other out. What I need you friends to do is we are going to clean up. Carefully take your ramps apart. And put materials away. Tape can go in the trash. So let's take it apart and we'll make it again tomorrow, okay? Mrs. Shaw, the cups, do they talk about or do they keep?
Like the red.
But we're taking our tables apart. So, Gil, great.
Why does it say that? I need to finish them.
Okay, just
Do I? Yeah.
I like the way everyone's ready to go.
I just used the side of my knuckle.
No, this is you trying to lift up that 55 weight. What about the whole stadium?
Alright, it looks like most of us are sitting back down. Alrighty, thank you for getting quiet and putting materials back carefully. Awesome job with that. So, to prepare for our next lesson, I am going to be giving you a patterns of motion worksheet. Do I have my teacher helper? I would like to. Logan?
No, Logan. That's Logan.
Okay. You want to help me out? Passing these out? don't forget to write your name. The directions say, think about what we already know about our cup systems, rolling straight, okay? What would happen if we added weight to it? Describe or draw the system you are going to test and make a prediction about the motion of the system, okay? So now that we know the system goes straight, we added tape. Think about what would happen if we added weight to the system. What would happen? Remember, there is no right or wrong answer. Okay, these are just predictions. You may draw or you may write your ideas. Okay? Take a few minutes. If you're stuck, maybe talk with your table groups. See if you can brainstorm ideas together. Remember, there is no right or wrong answer. The directions say, so now that we know our cup system rolls straight, what would happen if we added weight to it? There's just a prediction, there's no right or wrong answer. So maybe you can draw your ideas or write. So you're making a connection of you're adding weight. That means it might.
It's not really
So you're saying it'll be heavier.
Yeah.
And slower.
I'm thinking of a bigger cup.
So changing the size of the cup. Take about 2 more minutes. If you haven't done so already, maybe you can talk with your table groups if they're finished. Inside or okay. That needs to go away because it's a distraction. Alrighty, my friends. If you can hear me, put your hands on your head. If you can hear me, put your nose. Look at all these amazing listeners. I saw some really good drawings and written ideas. So anybody like to share with the class what they're thinking? Abby, go ahead. Nice and loud.
To put a magnet inside 2 cups and tape the 2 cups together and then see if it goes down the ramp without going like sideways and see if it goes straight.
Ooh, so you said, you talked about a specific object, right? Magnets, putting them inside the cup system and then taping it. Ooh, do you think it'll go faster, slower when it goes down the ramp? Any ideas?
Slower because the weight would make it heavier, and then when it's heavier, it goes slower.
I've heard some similar ideas over here. Go ahead, Evan.
So this is what I got. If there was a magnet inside the cup system, it would make it slow. But if there was metal close to it, it would move by its own. Because magnets are attracted to metal.
Science work. Gil.
So I just drew the cups going down a ramp because there's not too much weight on the other cups because there's a magnet in the other cup and it's like a horseshoe magnet
Yeah.
on both sides and there's an axle in the cup. So it wouldn't go too fast or slow because it would be like at a medium speed because there's a metal on one side and magnet on the other side and the axle will help it balance.
Ooh, very nice. Very good ideas. So maybe not too fast, not too slow. Awesome ideas, friends. So this is what we're going to do. I need you to put your KWL chart and this worksheet safe and sound in your science folder. We are going to revisit these ideas tomorrow.